Hello everyone, this is another head wrap, ankara head wrap. So I'm working with 4 yards of ankara material. I can see it is very long. So I started by folding in some inches. See what I folded in before I'll place it on my head. So after placing it on my head, I'm going to arrange it, then knot it at the back. I'll take the remaining to the back, then knot it. I'll knot it twice. So after knotting, I'm going to push the remaining in. So that is the first one. The second one, the remaining, I'll push it in here. I'll tuck it in. Then begin to arrange before I begin to wrap it inwardly. So I'm arranging it now. After arranging, I'm going to start to wrap. So I've started wrapping. So I'll continue to wrap. Then place it on my head. Continue to wrap. Once I wrap and it is long enough, then I will now place it on my head. So I'll arrange and wrap, arrange and wrap, arrange and wrap. That is what I'm doing right now. I'll take it again to the back. Continue to wrap. So I'll still continue to wrap. When it is long, I'll place it. This second one now, I'm going to be placing it on the first one, okay? I'll place it, then continue to wrap. Take it again to the back. I'll take it to the back. Then bring it to this other side. So this second one now is on top of the first one, okay? So after placing it on the first one, I'm now arranging it. You may be wondering why I'm not using pin. You can't use pin because it is very strong. So your work now, you just have to wrap it very well. So after wrapping the third one can't go round again. I have to place it down as a base, not on top of the second one, okay? I hope you've gotten that place very well. So I'll place it down, then use pin to secure it. So that is what I did in the third one. Remember, it is 4 yards of ankara that I use, okay? So after securing it at the back there, I'm going to arrange it. I'm arranging it now. I'm almost done. So how do you see this head wrap? I hope you are going to try it. This is the end product of it. This is the front, the side, the back. That is it. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.